Hey there, and welcome back to another video on this channel. So today I am going to show you how to use the Squarespace website builder step by step even if you are a complete beginner. So let's jump right in. So first of all, you have to head over to squarespace.com. Sorry, I am in the wrong domain. You can see this, so you have to visit squarespace.com and you have to click on get started. At this option, tap onto it. Wait until the page is fully loaded. Now you have to search for your site topic. Just answer a few questions, then like say let's say photography, then you have to tap next. Now you have to answer these few questions like this. So what do you want to do with your website? For example, I'm going to tap on showcase work expertise. Let's sell services. Now tap next. If you want, you can also skip them. Just answer a few quick questions to personalize your experience. Like you have to choose your type, for example, photography, portfolio, music. So let's choose a template. You can build a template, or either you can choose a template. For now, for the purpose of this video, I'm gonna choose template. Now select the template you want to wish. You can scroll down and find out all the templates from here. For example, for now I'm gonna go with this template right here. Now you have to pick a template as I did. And now let's edit them. You can get a bunch of beautiful photography related templates here, as you can see here, beautiful images right here. Now let's say we want to customize this page, so let's get started. For example, you can edit them like here at the top right corner. You can see this option is start with this design, tap onto it. Now you have to tap onto continue with Google, and from there you can tap onto this option patient project. I mean, just log in with your Gmail. So as you can see, it is right here. Now let's go to edit this. For example, wait. Okay, wait. I will log in again. Wait until the page is loaded correctly. So now let's get started with the design. So here you can see these options. So let's get started with the design right here. For example, let's say we want to edit this text. If you want to edit text on your website page, just choose the text which you want to edit. Then you have to tap onto the text. For example, I'm going to change this to hyper images trophy, then tap enter, and then I'm going to choose images. Okay, so this is how you can edit your text. Now let's say you want to make bold your text, so you just have to tap onto this B, and there you go, the text is now bold. And if you want it to italic, you can also do this if you wish to, like this, but italic. Now just let's say you want to change the color of the text, so simply choose the text, and there you go, you can see this option here. Tap onto it, and from there you can use your custom colors here. Okay, you can choose your custom colors right from here. Okay, so let's say, okay, this one is perfect, I guess. So this is how you can change the color. You just now have to edit all the text like the same, follow the same steps as I just did. Okay, now let's say you want to change the font of it. Here you can see this option heading. Before changing the font, you can just go here and you can change the heading color. Okay, like this. So this is how you can do it. And you can also paste as plain text if you wish to. Now let's move towards the next images. Like, let's say you want to edit this image, then just choose it. Now you can edit the image. Okay, just delete the image, then you can add images easily. You can upload it from your file. You can select from library. There are some stock images here. You can just choose them and tap on to add image, and there you go. This is how you can add image to it simply. Very simple. You can just do it. Wait until the page loads completely. So here you go, the image is now added. So let's do the same with this image. Let's delete this and let's add an image from my file. Okay, so let it load. And there you go. So the image is now added. So you have to customize all of them manually. Now let's say you want to edit this a video, then this is the same. You have to delete the video, then you have to add a video from your library. So let's add one video. Okay, let's upload it from my file. Tap on to open, and there we go until the page is loaded completely, and then the video will be added to it. Okay, you can go to scroll down and check all of these options. For example, so this is how you can edit images and text on your squarespace.com domain. And let's say you want to edit sections, then you simply have to tap on edit section, then tap K and gap, and this is how you can edit them. Let me show you again. So there you go. Okay, this is perfect. Now let's say you want to save it. So as you can see, you can also have the mobile preview right here. You can see the mobile preview, and let's just keep the mobile preview now. Now let's say you want to save it. So at the top left corner you can see this option, save. Just click on it, save, and it will start saving your project. Wait until the load completes, and then you can go with it. Okay, now let tap save again. Okay, so as you can see, it is saving my project right here. And then you can continue it. Okay, so the loading is taking a lot of time, so that's it for today. And if this video was helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and comment down below that what type of video you want to see in the coming videos. Okay, till then, take care, goodbye.